Wonderful good day to the Gold News Flash on Commodity TV, ladies and gentlemen. The precious metal is currently somewhat less joy and could not yet play out its strengths as an unshakable inflation hedge. If you look at the markets, so I see here a very tense market that tries to keep the gold down whatever it takes. The BIS in Basel reloaded 103 tons of gold swaps in July, and it is not understandable why major central banks get involved in such deals unless they want to keep a stranglehold on the market. Perhaps the harbingers are for meeting of the BRICS states on 22nd August. There, probably a gold-backed common currency is to be decided. We will see. Some are already singing the death song for the US dollar, but we do not see it that way. The US dollar will continue to be a strong currency, but should lose importance. No wonder in view of the American debt orgy. At some point, confidence will go down the drain. And exactly there, one should possess gold already, because it will come then to clearly higher prices and maybe you don't get it. You will also earn good money with good mid-sized gold producers that are undervalued. One such example is Karora Resources. They were again able to achieve record gold production of 40,823 ounces in the second quarter this year, exceeding targets. Full year 2023 production to date was 80,650 ounces, up 39% from the first half of 2022. And we see production guidance for 2023 at just over 160,000 ounces gold. All-in sustaining costs, the AISC, were $1,160 in the second quarter of 2023, which is a great margin. So then a record quarterly revenue of $110.6 million was achieved, and overall in the half year over $207 million operating cash flow tripled from the first quarter to $34.4 million, and net income was $6.6 million compared to a net loss of almost $3 million in the first quarter this year. Adjusted earnings were a very healthy $13.9 million. Following the completion of a second decline and the first of 3 ventilation increases at Beta Hunt in the first quarter of 2023, the second ventilation increase was completed in the second quarter of 2023, with the expansion project remaining on track to support growth to an annual production rate of 2 million tons in 2024. Exploration results are also consistently positive, which will have a positive impact on future mine life and growth. Also of interest is the agreement with Karora Resources to form a lithium and critical metals exploration company called Kali Metals Limited. The company will hold a 45% interest in Kali, with both Karora and Karora contributing their lithium exploration projects to the new company, with the aim of creating a new jointly owned but separately managed lithium-focused ASX-listed exploration company led by an experienced board and management team. Very good. Like it. Karora is on track, and we see price targets of 9 to 10 Canadian dollars over the next 2 years for the stock here. I think it will go faster. Another undervalued but high-quality gold producer is Victoria Gold. In Q2, they generated almost $119 million in revenue and net income of $16 million or 24 cents per share. Taking this as a basis for the full year, the price-earnings ratio is a low 7. Operationally, things went very well for the company. In the second quarter, 2.4 million tons of ore were mined, an increase of 9%. Also, 2.5 million tons were sent to heap leaching at 0.75 grams gold per ton. The company is benefiting more and more from the now possible year-round heap feed, which now also works in winter. Analysts at H.C. Wainwright are giving a buy recommendation with a price target of 24 Canadian dollars, and that's at today's price of not even $7. The bombed out P&F charter point and figure chart has formed a triple bottom, and we see a first price target of 11 Canadian dollars and then further 18 Canadian dollars. You can also find all information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything about commodities. Please note the following disclaimer. We appreciate a like and, even more importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for that. The stocks discussed are part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in the companies, of course. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye and servus from Austria.